It is Thursday, which means we have a brand new episode of Whether or Not, which is our weather streaming show exclusively on WHAS 11 Plus. And let me tell you, it's a good one. It is the 32nd anniversary this week of the snowstorm of 1994. And we have a very special guest, our very own Doug Proffitt, who recounts covering that historic snowstorm and, of course, the bitterly cold air to follow right here on WHAS 11. So tune in to find out more about his stories. We're talking about also how things have changed since 94. How would the city handle a 15.9-inch snowstorm in today's world? We're talking about improving communication, forecasting, and also just improving snow removal tactics. So be sure to tune in. Once again, Whether or Not, a brand new episode streaming now on WHES 11 Plus.